Ah. One name. One name. One name. One name. Ha. What troubles your heart?
Chima, how long have you been standing here?
I just came back from fetching firewood. What happened? Talk to me.
Chima, my heart is troubled. King IJELE is on a mission to a strange land.
On a mission?
In search of a maiden.
Why would he go in search for a maiden?
According to him, he said she is his love interest.
Love interest?
The most fascinating part of it is that he's going to a strange land, a very distant land. Okotobulu.
Hey! Okotobulu! The land of the spirit! Hey!
Shh, shh.
Hey, whoa.
The walls have ears.
Hey! Hey, hey.
And that is why my heart is troubled.
Hey.
Strange things. Strange things are happening.
If you have come to fight me, I do not have your strength. Please.
Udokolo, I am ready to give you a chance for you to prove to me that you are not a coward. If you can do that, I will allow you to marry my sister in peace.
How am I to prove it to you? As long as he's not fighting you.
You can't fight me. If you try that, I am going to strangle you instantly. But I want you to fight alongside with me.
Against who?
Udokolo. I am going to Okotobulu in the next Eke Market Day. I am going there to rescue a maiden whose family has been trapped by an evil spirit in that land. If you can come with me to that land and come back alive, I will allow you to marry my sister in peace.
Okotobulu, the land of the spirit. I have never for once heard that anyone enters that land of the spirit and returns alive. That is where you want me to go with you, just to prove my love for your sister. Abapumia, akama adroya. Biko, Dikeh, akama adroya.
You are a weakling. You are a coward and you can never marry my sister.
I agree. At this point, I agree.
I will be going to Okotobulu in the next Eke Market Day.
What? To do what?
I am going there to rescue a maiden whose family has been trapped by an evil spirit in that land.
Where does fighting an evil spirit becomes a job?
Since I found the one I love, that beautiful maiden must be saved.
So you want to die for a maiden you know nothing about?
I don't care. Obiangeri, one thing must kill a man. And as long as that man did not die as a coward.
When a man dies for a maiden who haven't proved her love for him, he dies a coward.
And that is why that useless, good-for-nothing weakling man of yours must prove to you that he is not a coward.
And I don't involve my heart in quest of love.
Anyways, I will not force him to join me. But if he believes he is man enough, he should join me in this journey.
No. The ban has been lifted.
Agonia. Igwe.
No.
Igwe.
No.
You will live long.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You will go well. You will come back in peace.
What are you doing here?
I, Udokolo, have come to join in the journey to the land of the spirit.
No, you can't do this. You can't.
I have to. I need to prove myself.
Of course you have to prove that you're a man. But there are so many ways you can do it. You're not a fighter.
This is not about being a fighter.
I'm here to show that I'm not afraid of death.
I want to have you. If only you want me to.
Brave man,
Yes, Dikeh.
I hope you are ready for war.
Dikeh, one name, please don't do this. Don't take him with you. He's a farmer, not a fighter, please. Please.
Udokolo, I was never going to go to the land of the spirit with you. Because I know you won't survive a night in that land. I just wanted you to prove to me that you are a man. And you just did. Stay back and take good care of my sister.
Somewhere, somehow, your brother is a good person.
I'm very happy.
Brave men of our land, we are about to embark on a journey. Brave men that will follow me. Your bravery will never go in vain.
Sir.
Your names will be held throughout the kingdom, and you all will become immortals. Are you ready to go with me?
We are ready, Your Majesty!
Are you ready to go with IJELE?
We are ready!
As you can see, the ban on the third defense line of this great kingdom has been lifted. I want you to send messages to all the members of the third defense line. Tell them to be prepared and stand by.
Yes, my friend.
This is the most stupid decision a king has ever made in the history of this kingdom. Yes.
My fellow Eda, exactly. Eh? What a useless decision that a king will make. Eh? In fact, I I'm so disappointed at him for making such useless and stupid decision.
My elders, what made our great king decision a stupid one? Can you tell me more? Let me understand. I don't understand.
Ichie, it is a very stupid decision
Thank
indeed.
you.
How can a king without a successor abandon his throne and embark on a journey to the land of the spirit just because of his selfish desire? Nonsense.
You call that selfish desire? Okay, let me throw more light on this your head. We all know that our king has been restless for days now. There's no peace for days now. There's no joy for days now. And he decided to make a journey in the land of the spirit so that he can gather himself back. And you are here calling his decision a selfish desire?
What else?
You should watch your mouth one after the other.
Hold on. Let me ask you just one question. If his decision is not a stupid one, why didn't you give him your warriors? Why?
Why?
Answer.
Okay. Because I refuse assigning my warriors to him. Does not mean that I'm not in support of his movement.
Look at him.
No. I want my warriors to protect my client.
Well. You see, my aim of calling this meeting is this. That each and every one of us here, I want you to have this in your mind that I'm interested in that very throne. Since the king has decided to leave the throne, I am the next in command, so I am taking over.
You don't have problem about that.
Oh no.
Yes.
It's not possible. Oh no. Are you Onowu or Onorowu of this kingdom? Onowu, you know that you are the second in command of this great kingdom.
Oh yes,
I think you know.
Nobody.
And I believe you know our tradition too well. Have you forgotten that our tradition said that a throne can be without the king for 2 full moons? Unless that, you don't have any rights. You don't have any authority over the throne. Don't forget. But for me, I will never be in support of all this your wicked and jealous decision. Look, my eyeball to eyeball. I am not in support. Onochie is not in support of this meeting.
Good. Thank you very much. Let me educate you more. Whether full moon, half moon, 2 half moon, 2 full moon,
Quarter moon.
my decision is final.
That time it will not work. Look into my eye. It will not do what? Work.
And I'm looking into your eye and I'm telling you, it has already worked.
Yeah, okay, it will work. What is your...
Amabunu. Amabunu na. Ofuji. Aneke ya n'ọba.
Obioma. Come. Hey, my sister. Hey. Run as your legs can carry you. Run to our maternal home. Go and tell our elder brother that the ban has been lifted.
Sister, what ban?
You're asking me?
Of course.
My dear, the 3rd defense line have been revoked by IJELE.
Chimo.
Oh yeah, run now, run. Run, no. Run very fast. Hey. Chimo. Wonder they say it shall never end.
Obioma, where are you running to? My sister sent me to our maternal home. Is that why you're running? Have you heard? Heard what? My sister said that the 3rd defense line has been lifted. third defense line?
Yes. Abeg, I'm in a hurry.
Obioma, stop running like a mad woman, no. Third defense line. Hey.
I'm in support of the Onowu taking over the throne. It is high time that family step down from the throne.
I am in support of it too. Because we need someone. Are you getting me? In fact, we need to make this our throne. This kingdom, we need to make it a rotational one. Oh, you ought to go. The throne of this kingdom.
Wait. This decision now, are we the one to make it? No. The decision now is only the seer that can make the decision, not me and you. I think you hated Igwe Menakete when he was alive. How come you are now in support of his son returning the throne? Yes, but we made him our king. Is it not true? I hated him because of some silly mistakes that he did, yes. But I rather support his son to become the king than supporting Onowu. That man is very dangerous. He can bite more than a snake. I cannot support him.
Do you have any previous issue with Onowu? Or is this something we can sort out right now? Eba, kita. Let's sort it out, because we don't need a child that will be going on a stupid adventure. We need a king in this kingdom, a king that will move it forward. We'll move it forward.
Bian. Come bazu n'olu, because Obo also onye nwụrụ anwụ ka na-agbazi olu. Unu dị ndụ. Onowu is very desperate. I don't have anything against him, but I will never support Onowu, because how can he call for a meeting today that our king just left for an adventure to sort out the problems that is going on in this community? That was the day Onowu will come and call a meeting for both of us to support him. Asem Arueme. See, I will never support Onowu until I am sure that King IJELE will never return back or can never return again. If not, Amakwami Hunnako, Leka Nyunudi, Anyanduri. You people are gang up against a throne. In your patapara. Ndala.
Who is he to challenge me? Who is he? What does he think he is to challenge me? Hold me.
Oh, well, maybe he's having an eye on the throne as well.
Oh no. That man is already a threat to us in this kingdom. And we have to execute him. We have to execute him before it is too late.
Well, there will be no execution for now until we are ready to attack.
Why? I mean, let us kill him. Kill him and make it look like an accident, or just find a miss and erase him from this kingdom.
No. No one will be found missing or dead till our plan is fully perfected.
I know that man very well. He will rebel our plans and we cannot allow that.
Kaplan, it's simple. From now onwards, any of our future plans, we will escort him Wapianizu. By the time we get hold of the throne, we'll start from him. And his kinsmen, the whole of his clan will just wipe them away from the surface of this our kingdom, like this. Just like that.
I love that. I love that. It's a very perfect plan. Good. And I would like to wash my sword with his blood.
Good.
Wonderful.
I like you for that. That's why I made you my inner member.
In realms of valor, where heroes ride, a band of warriors with honor in our eyes. Our hearts are ablaze with courage as our guide. We march into fray with victory to abide.
Through battles fierce and trials by fire, we have no tolerance for evil. We will fight, eliminate, and set apart the rotten eggs to uphold the dignity and honor. Our kingdom is upright. Our king is our voice. We uphold our dignity.
Are we under attack?
Calm down. It is not an attack. It is a message.
What kind of message is this? In an arrow form?
The third defense line of the kingdom has been activated, and their services will be needed very soon.
Not third defense line. Which one is third defense line again?
Sit, let me explain to you.
Third defense line again.
The kingdom.
Ugodia. Ugodia.
My husband. My husband. You're back. What is it? This one you're standing like this.
Ugodia. All is not well in this kingdom. Ugodia. Igwe IJELE and Dikeh, his friend, have called their closest friend to join them in the land of the spirit.
Land of the spirit?
Yes.
What for?
The reason, your husband, I don't know. But what I sense in this kingdom, very soon, there will be an internal war in this kingdom.
My husband, what do you mean by internal war?
Onowu of this great kingdom want to take over the kingdom. He want to take over the throne of this kingdom if eventually IJELE returns back alive.
My husband, you and I know that Onowu is not the next in line. Why does he want the throne? My husband, even if the throne is to leave the Ekwedike's family, Onowu is not the next in line. Our family is.
Ugo dear, you know that Onowu has the support of all the elders and even the warriors that rule this region. They have given him their support. I want you to take these children, leave from this kingdom now.
My husband, are you trying to tell me to run away from my own village? I should run with my children from this village? Never. That will never happen, my husband.
Ugo dear, I never said you should run away from this kingdom. But I want to protect the royal lineage. Please take them where they will be safe until you hear from me. Don't come back in this kingdom.
My husband, I and my children are going nowhere, except you are going with us. Yes.
See, woman, this is not time for argument. Take these children and leave this kingdom now.
My husband, did you see that? My husband. This is the third defense line. And it's been activated. With this, I am going nowhere. It is time to prepare for your first battle.
I am not going anywhere either. I'll stay here with the warriors of this clan under your command and defend our clan in case of any invasion.
Hey. I have tried for today.
How can the king
decide to go out in search of a maiden in a deadly forest?
Okotobulu,
the land of the spirit. Hey, this one is a bad omen. Hey, oh.
We will rest here tonight. Tomorrow we will continue our journey. You, take the first turn to watch. Dikeh.
Great IJELE.
Come with me.
Who is that? Show your face, you coward! Who is that? My king! Where's my king and Dikeh? We will split in twos in search of them.
Yes.
What if your king was kidnapped? You all will still be in a great slumber.
It's not possible, my king. You would have heard them before they reach us.
And why didn't you hear ours when we left?
You took us unawares, Your Highness. We still have a lot to learn from you.
It's good to admit your mistakes. To be a great warrior, you still have a lot to learn. Let us go. Our journey is far. Cover. Follow me.
Lolo!
Hello.
What's the matter?
Hello. Please, go back to the palace.
Come on, man, get away here. Are you mad? Don't you know I'm the owner? Eh?
The king is not here. Go back to the palace.
God. Please, it's okay. Step back.
Now you step back.
Oh no. You. Step out of these chambers.
Lolo, I'm here to see you. Why are you asking me to get out of the chambers?
Maybe your ears have not heard. But if it has not heard, I am sure your eyes have seen that IJELE is not around in this kingdom. As you can see, his crown is on his throne. So please, as you know the tradition of this kingdom, you are not permitted to walk into the chambers until he returns.
Lolo, there are procedures we use in doing things in this great kingdom that unite these 5 villages. There are rules and regulations governing us.
I can't remember. But if you remind me, I will understand.
Very good. Let me remind you. You see, in this great kingdom, any king that does not have any heir to the throne does not leave his seat vacant.
Oh. Excellent reminder. Yes, you are an excellent reminder.
Good.
And the same law says, if he find any reason to leave this kingdom without informing the cabinets, that he can do so, but he must return before the full moon.
I see. Very good. Are you sure that your son will be coming back?
That is not your business. All you have to do is to wait and see.
Well, I'm not a patient man, but I will try my best.
Please try. Oh no, we'll try and get out, please.
I will. Lolo. Lolo.
I hope they're all right wherever they are. I guess they're all right.
They'll be all right, my princess. They believe in their gods. And I believe they will overcome every mischievous challenges.
My princess. My princess. Greetings, my princess. Greetings? My princess, Onowu came to the palace. I hope my mother will attend to him. He left already. So why bother me with such news? Because I overheard Onowu saying that the throne will be revoked in the absence of His Majesty. No! 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 Mother! Mother! Mother!
My princess, she left the palace with some guards and some maidens, Your Highness.
Were you here when Onowu came to the palace?
Yes, Your Highness.
Did you hear him speak?
Yes, Your Highness.
Is it true that he threatened to overthrow my brother in his absence?
Yes, Your Highness.
Onowu needs to be dealt with.
My princess, may I?
What?
I think it's best we wait for the queen's return. She might be working on something right now.
No, that man needs to be dealt with. Come with me.
Look over there. That is the entrance to the land of the spirit. We are very close. Let us go.
Do not be afraid. If we die briefly.
If we die briefly. If we die briefly. Let's go.
I can't intervene. I don't control people's will and actions. I can only bring the wrath of the gods when necessary.
What of my son? Is he safe?
If you are asking if your son made it alive in the spirit land, yes. No one laid a trap for him going to the land of the spirit. But they will be waiting for him to finish him off if he survives in the land of the spirit.
Please, can you help me send him a warning message?
Like I said, I can't interfere in humans' will, but I can only warn of his disaster.
Thank you, the great seer.
Do not bother about your son. Bother about his throne. Watch carefully. You will see your enemy coming.
Thank you once again.
What is really going on in this our kingdom? How can we know who of all people plan to take over the king's throne in his absence? Is this not a taboo? Because of our land. Hey! I pray, may the chi of our king brings him back home alive to his people. Hey! Things are happening, oh.
Who are you?
I am IJELE, the king of Amachala. I'm here with my warriors. We want to have a pathway. We are here to rescue some humans that have been kept captive here for years.
You are free,
Thank you.
but not without paying for a pathway.
Old man, well, you've already assured us to pass. Tell me, what is the price for the pathway?
Human blood. Human blood must be spilled to fill this calabash. Then you pay for your pathway.
Human blood. Dikeh.
IJELE.
Warriors, this is not the only pathway. There are other ways I know.
As you wish.
Let's go.
Mother, you shouldn't have allowed Dono to walk out of here alive.
By law, he has the right to rebel. And we also have the right to defend the throne. Ono will act fast. But we have to prepare ahead of time.
What makes you think he will act fast?
He has already made a huge mistake by coming here to warn me. I can read his moves. Now, you have to send messages across. Begin the phase 2 of the activation of 3rd defense line.
Oh no. Oh no, he's biting more than he can chew.
Have you found the next entrance you were looking for?
IJELE. Is this not the same place?
It's not the same place, Dikeh. It's just that he got here before us.
Did I? I don't think so.
Old man, I guess you're just playing tricks with the spirits.
Now get out of our way, you old wizard.
Let's go.
You wouldn't know it.
You see, she won't see us coming. We will kill all of them. For Dikeh and IJELE, we lay ambush for them. Should any one of them return, as well. So it's simple.
So, which day do we attack?
The day we attack. On the next Eke market day, we will assemble all our warriors here. And from here, we'll march forward.
My fellow elders, what about Onoche? What do we do with him? Because that Onoche, I'm beginning to be tired of him. What do we do?
It's very simple. We'll just wipe his lineage out of this our kingdom.
Better.
Yes,
I like that.
Good. But please, give me this honor.
You know, I've always wanted to kill him.
Yes.
I would love. I would like to kill him with my sword.
He is always yours, but you must wait for my orders. Do you understand? We'll all go to the stream now. Okay. From here, we'll march to the stream.
Oh, no.
Have you seen the next entrance you were looking for? This is the only way you can only pass through here. You better get going. If this blood finishes, you will do another sacrifice before you go back.
Let's go. He has sacrificed himself for this mission.
What are you doing in my compound?
Where did you take your family to?
I say, what are you doing here? Or you don't understand what I'm saying?
Oh no!
Yes?
What are you up to?
You don't have any right over my free will.
I am not here to question your free will, but to remind you to be careful of what you are doing.
Since you don't have the right over my free will, please leave my house now.
Oh no!
Yes?
Okay.
Leave my house! Off! All of you go! Nonsense! No! You can't threaten me, you cannot cajole me. I've taken my decision and I will implement it to the letter. Nonsense, I'm not here.
Husband, we need to go.
May the gods be with you.
Proceed to a glance.
All right, Papa.
Let's go.
Please, do not drink. Do not drink.
Just cross.
Hey! Dikeh!
Calm down. Calm down, boys. Let us cross fast. Cross fast, fast.
Anolom is still coming, but one of us is still missing.
Oh, no. He has betrayed us. That very one that is missing has betrayed us.
No, he cannot. I'm sure he's on his way.
Don't tell me that. What if he has betrayed us?
I will kill him with my hands.
Okay, it's all right. Let us not hope for the worst. I believe he's on his way.
Let it not be what I'm thinking.
Oh.
Where is Okute?
The monster got him.
What? Okute! Okute!
My king, he's gone.
Okute!
He's gone, my king.
IJELE, we haven't even drawn our sword, and we are dying.
We have to keep moving. We've come too far. Let's go.
A kingdom without a king is set for anarchy and lawlessness. How can the king just disappear? How can we live in this kingdom without a king over us? Who makes the decisions of this land? Gods of our land, gods of my father, please protect the king and bring him back to us in sound health. You know he's not a just man. He cannot feel into the shoes of the king. What is our fate in this kingdom? The center cannot hold. Gods of our land, attend to our cries, attend to our prayers, and please bring back the king to us. He said,
Obim, let me come with you. I want to fight alongside you.
No, you can't. You're not a member of the 3rd defense line.
But I am supposed to protect you. Nothing should happen to you.
I can protect myself, my love. You just don't know that part of me yet. My brother wasn't the only one that was trained to be a warrior. All my trainings were done in secret. And that is why we are called the 3rd defense line.
I am going to miss you. My heart won't be at peace until you return.
Then you can escort me to the boundary.
Sure, I would love to do so.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Greetings, my friend. Greetings, my Christians.
Welcome. Did I not warn you not to inform the elderly families?
I'm sorry, my queen.
Greetings, Your Highness.
Greetings, my princess.
You're welcome.
Your Highness, we pledge an alliance to your throne.
Where is your husband?
He is at home, Your Highness. He's at home with my son. Because he believes the Onowu might attack our home at any moment, just because we do not support him.
Arise. You are welcome.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Stab yourself.
What is that?
It is I, the Queen of the Tree.
You must be very stupid. In fact, you are out of your senses.
You're the one who's out of your senses. Except you stab yourself.
You cannot stop us. We have to go.
You can only go around. You can't live here until we taste blood.
Yes.
You can't fight us. Let us go.
We have tasted blood. Now
We have tested blood.
you can live.
Let's go.
Leave. 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 We have tested blood. We have tested blood.
They have already gathered the trenchers men.
Let's go through the other way. It's safer that way. Let's go through the other way.
No. It's a very long way. They might attack us before we reach. Let me cross this place.
Wait. What are we going to do now? I think I have an idea.
What's that?
You know they know me as a farmer. Give me that bag. Give me your bag. They all know me as a farmer. And thank the gods, they don't know you. Just follow my lead.
Are you sure it will work?
Trust me. Just follow my lead. Okay? Let's go. Trust me. Trust me. It will work. I know exactly what I am doing.
Oh no. Where is Onolong? He is coming with other warriors. So calm down, Ashika. Okay. Who are they?
It's Udokolo the farmer.
And the maiden going with him as well?
His lover, she follows him around.
And where are they going to?
Going to people's farm.
Do they go around walking in people's farm? We all know Udokolo now. He walks around in people's farm. You know, he's a farmer. So it's just that I don't really. But I think they know. This is my elders. Greetings. Udoka, greetings.
You are a great warrior. Stand out! Don't tell me that!
Leave him! Let him voice out his anger.
Anger? Anger, you call it? You were 7 when we left our kingdom. Now we are just 4. 2 of our men died, and their body are nowhere to be found. Are you this heartless?
I am not heartless. Neither am I selfish. I am a warrior. Great warriors, great men. They've died fighting for our kingdom. And if you die fighting for this kingdom, you will be remembered as a great warrior. Let's go.